Hey everybody, this is a quick InDesign tip. If you ever wanted to take all of your links or pictures in your InDesign document and just change them to a completely different photo, this is how you do it. Little tip and trick. Some of you might already know how to do this or do this in a different way. If so, leave a comment, like and subscribe if you liked the video. So here, let's check it out. All right, so this is real quick. This is like a little book that I'm working on for one of my clients. We make them their layouts. So this is their last year's book. It's got last year's photos in it, but they're gonna basically do the same thing. So I'm gonna replace all of these photos and replace it with the same photo. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit Reveal in Finder. I'm gonna pop up where that thing is located, and I'm just gonna briefly change the name of this folder, and this is gonna break the links in this document. Okay, it's gonna be like, whoop, where did that photo go? Because I changed where this thing is located, right? So now I just need to replace all of these photos with my nifty little place photo here icon that I use so often. So I'm gonna go ahead and just click on a bunch of these. I could do all of them at once, but just for the sake of showing you how to do it, I'm gonna hit relink, and here's my little place photo here. Now it will ask me a few different times, so I do have to kind of click on it a couple different times to replace it, but it does update and replace each and every instance of that particular photo. So you say, okay, it does kind of beat having to place it over and over again, right? So now when I go to that particular page, right, those pages where I have my new photo selected, so to say, I can take those photos and, boom, I got my new photo in there. So it's like if you want to take a template and just replace it, now this could be just a blank photo. I don't ever recommend changing the photo to a color. Sometimes that's something that is very common that people do. But I prefer, because you could take this and you could go ahead and add in there a particular color, into this photo. Let's see here. I don't have my swatches panel open. So, where are you? All right, so let's say I just change that to yellow. So some people will do that. They'll just change the color. But as you drop photos on top of here, that color never goes away. So if you don't crop it right, it's always back there. So I prefer just take a blank photo. You could just take a blank gray photo and you could use that to drop in your templates. That way you can have, I prefer to do this where you see the little, place photo here, obviously, but you will have to crop it to make it look good if you put words in there. So you could just do a solid color as well. Just simply grab a whole bunch of these guys, right click, relink, and you'll be able to relink it right there to that photo. So yes, that's a pretty quick little thing. If you're looking to just replace a particular thing to make a new template. So anyway, that's a little quick tip of the day. Have a great day, and check out, like, and subscribe, more InDesign tips, and I will see you guys in the next video.